Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to set Google Gemini as your default assistant on Android. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go and open the Google app, and after that click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on settings, and here in settings go to Gemini, and on Gemini scroll down until you will find an option called Digital Assistants from Google. Click on it, and if you find it in Google Assistant like this, you have just to go back. I will do it again. Go there, settings, and after that go to Gemini, click on more, and after that go to Gemini and click on use Gemini, and like that Google Gemini will be your default assistant on. Click on use Gemini, and like that, as you can see, Gemini now is your default assistant on your Android phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.